Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and as promised, I went out to the shop and I ran these two leaves that are different and this rose petal flower so I used contour. If you didn't watch part 4 how I did this, did it two different styles, and on this I just did the interactive fill tool. So I ran these two, and the picture just doesn't do it justice, but I ran these two normal engraving at 70 speed at 100 power. I kind of like the leaves. It shows the veins pretty good because the veins aren't there, so they didn't engrave. As you can see, the white and the white. On the 3D engraving, it might look a little bit better. So this is this one here. I really like that one, but that one does do a 3D. So if you don't have a 3D in your print driver, I don't know about all lasers, but mine's an Epilogue. And I've always turned my 3D into a bitmap. This one I bitmapped, this one I did not. I can't tell the difference. So I turned it into a grayscale bitmap. Looks pretty much the same. There is some, this one was just done with the interactive fill tool. So it does have some contour and shading is what the gentleman wanted. I think the non-3D looks just as good. And I did not sand this because you would sand off some of it. And in this particular case, you wouldn't need to sand because you're going to cut these out anyway. But I would cut them out and then glue them into the spot like we've been talking about, and then engrave them later. And then you might have to sand off the edges just a little bit. But just be careful because this is barely any contour in you're going to sand off the high points. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.